Alright, hello, welcome to this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can create this text effect on Pixellab. First, you want to open your Pixellab and you get to see something like this. If it's your first time using Pixellab, even if it's not your first time, you always meet a default page like this. So you delete the text and resize your page to YouTube thumbnail and you have something like this. So you add a text now. When you add a text, you resize it to your satisfaction. You edit your text to the text should be, so you have something like this. Now you resize it and you change the font to the font we'll be using here. That should be Megalopolis X Megalopolis S. So you go to spacing and you increase your spacing to 5, and then you resize your text and you centralize it. You should have something like this. So now you want to add stroke to this text. You enable your stroke width to 5, forget the back and forth, leave it at 5. So you import your color palettes. This color palette will be made available in the description. You can just download it.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel.
You go to
and also
the text
press this
and you
bell
go
icon.
to the stroke. You change the color to the yellow on the color palette. There are 2 yellows at least. You can also copy the hex code from the top there. Then now you add your texture. The image will be made available in description also, so you can download it. Move your scale to 60. You should have something like this. You centralize it, then you copy the text. So now you go to your stroke. This color combination here, you have to pay attention for you to get it right. If it's your first time using Pixellab, it's going to be looking very difficult, but it's easy. It's just 3 colors I used and the positions are just many.
Subscribe to my channel.
Like it's difficult.
And also press
If you
this
look
bell
at it
icon.
the way it looks, you think it's difficult, but if you just follow through, you see that it's easy. So I used the brown, the yellow, the brown with, okay, this is the position. You have black, you have brown, you have yellow, you have brown, and then you have black. So that's the position you are going to be using, 5 by 5. That should be 25 positions. Looking at it, you see that they are grouped when you have something like this. So you just duplicate this
channel.
by 5.
And also press this bell icon.
2, and you get another one, you have 3, you get another one, you have 4, and then the last one you have 5. So when you're done with all of that, you change your gradient to radio gradient, then you move this middle to the top, you adjust it also a bit, and then you have something like this, and your text should look like this. So what you do now is you enable 3D text. When you enable 3D text, you change your view type to oblique, your depth to 3, darken to 0, disable simulate lighting, and oblique angle 320, and you should have something like this.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
So now you centralize this text and then you send it to back. When you go to your shadow, your offset X should be 14, your blur radius is 20, forget the back and forth, leave it at 20, your offset X 14 and your offset Y 19 or 20. anyone you prefer. 20, and you click OK. So when you're done with that, you should have something like this. So now you go to your background color, you go to gradient, you'll be using radio gradient. The outer color, the hex code is 121212, that's black.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
So when you've input that, the inner color is ash, the hex code is 5A, 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 and then you should have something like this. So now you click on your flex text, and then you go to inner shadow and you enable it. Then your blur radar should remain at 3, your offset x and offset y should be 10, 10, and then you click OK. So now you copy the first text. When you copy the first text, you go to color, and then you move the transparency to 0, and you should have something like this. So you disable the inner shadow and you reduce your stroke weight.
Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
When you're done with that, you should have something like this. So you go to the stroke color, use the same color you used for the other text, then you have this. So you centralize it and then you send it to back. When you send it to back, you should have something like this. So you just make some adjustments, you move it down and right, so it will show a little bit, and then you are done. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. If it's your first time watching my video, subscribe and click the notification bell so whenever I upload you get notified. Thanks to returning subscribers and returning viewers. Thanks for watching.
And also press this bell icon.